Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Mexican cuisine to uncover a hidden gem, Jericalla. This delightful dessert is a bit of a mystery to many, but it's about to become one of your new favorites. Stick around as we reveal some lesser-known facts about this creamy Mexican treat. What is Jericalla? First things first, what exactly is Jericalla? Well, it's often described as the Mexican cousin of crème brûlée, a dessert that originates from the Spanish influence in Mexico. Jericalla is a rich, custardy dessert with a sweet, caramelized top, and it's surprisingly easy to make. Its name and history are quite fascinating. The origin story. Jericalla has its roots in the beautiful city of Guadalajara, located in the state of Jalisco, Mexico. This city is not only known for its rich cultural heritage but also for this delightful dessert. Its origins are believed to date back to the early 19th century when nuns and local convents started creating this luscious treat. Ingredients. Now, let's talk about the essential ingredients that make Jericalla so special. It's a simple combination of eggs, milk, vanilla, sugar, and cinnamon. What sets it apart is the cooking process that results in its unique texture and the beautiful caramelized top. It's a perfect blend of creamy and crunchy. The unique baking process. The magic happens in the oven, where Jericalla undergoes a double cooking process. First, it's baked at a low temperature to set the custard, and then the heat is increased to caramelize the top, giving it that irresistible golden crust. Serving and enjoying Jericalla. When your Jericalla is ready, it's time to savor this hidden treasure. The contrast of the creamy custard and the caramelized top is simply divine. You can enjoy it on its own or with a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra burst of flavor. Regional variations. What's fascinating about Jericalla is that it can vary slightly in different regions of Mexico. Some areas may add a unique twist by incorporating local ingredients or spices, creating a regional touch to this beloved dessert. From Jalisco to Oaxaca, there's a whole world of Jericalla waiting to be explored. Jericalla and cultural traditions. Jericalla is often served at festive occasions in Mexico, such as birthdays, weddings, and other celebrations. It has become an integral part of the country's culinary traditions, representing the sweet side of Mexican culture. Learning about the role of Jericalla in these events is a fantastic way to appreciate its cultural significance. Making Jericalla at home. Now, let's get hands-on and show you how to make Jericalla right in your own kitchen. I'll take you through a step-by-step process, from mixing the ingredients to achieving that perfect caramelized top. By the end of this segment, you'll have the confidence to recreate this delicious dessert at home. Tips and tricks. To ensure your Jericalla turns out perfect every time, I'll share some tips and tricks, such as the ideal baking temperature, how to prevent overcooking, and ways to customize the flavor. These insights will make you a Jericalla pro. Unique Jericalla presentation. Jericalla is not only known for its flavor but also for its versatility and presentation. I'll show you some creative ways to serve Jericalla, including garnishes and serving containers that will impress your guests and elevate the dessert to the next level. Jericalla's modern resurgence. In recent years, Jericalla has experienced a resurgence in popularity both in Mexico and around the world. We'll explore how modern chefs and restaurants have been innovating with this classic dessert, creating exciting new variations and reinventing the way we enjoy Jericalla today. And there you have it, folks, the lesser-known facts about Mexican Jericalla. It's a dessert with a rich history, an intriguing name, and a flavor that's bound to leave you craving for more. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend giving it a shot. It's a fantastic addition to your culinary adventures. Thank you for joining me today on this journey to uncover the secrets of Jericalla. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering content. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, Happy cooking!